Whoa.
Look what you've done.
Go, go, go. That's all.
It's a dead!
Sorry.
Sacrifice! Why you been sacrificed? Why did you go?
Because the way out's right here.
Don't die!
We need to go. We need to go. Get in. Get in. Get in.
Where? Which way is this? Oh, come on! Why would you?
Sawyer.
I'm about to get my duck. I'm about to get my kid. Dude, look at it.
Yeah.
Open it. Go, 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 go.
Sawyer, are we stuck? Sawyer, are we stuck? Sawyer, we might be stuck.
What?
Oh,
No. We can. Nope.
Oh, this giant. You see that down there?
yeah. He just needs to save his
Holy
stamina and go.
rolling spiel, thank you for your sacrifice. Oh,
He dead. Oh, he's alive.
That's.
You're dead. Oh, I'm dead.
Stop. Ah! Never mind. It's right there.
Where?
I'm going over
there.
to it.
Look.
Where? Oh, I see it. That's a bird. Wait. I've read about these guys in National Geographic.
It's
Oh.
an ostrich.
He's gonna wait. It's gonna eat Axton. Wait, let Axton be the victim. Let Axton be the victim.
Why is it running like that?
Wait, don't get too close to its nest. Oh, it's easier. It's gonna go after you. Good luck.
Oh, he's cooked. Oh, God, yeah, he's cooked. He's cooked.
It's you see the body language. It wants him to move away. Go pet it. It wants you to pet it.
It's a friend. So you just got accident killed.
It's
crazy
he's gonna go
work.
dressed now. He's gonna go
Oh my
dressed.
God! Oh my God!
It's not crazy. It's not crazy.
What the?
Oh my God, he's giving away position.
The bird wouldn't really be waiting to be out there, would she?
Oh, she's waiting. Take your bird. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Take your bird. Take your bird. Holy crap. Bird. It's right there. Go, go, go. Holy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Have your egg. Have your egg. I'm so sorry. What is that? Oh my God.
Holy.
Oh, that was insane. Oh.